Dímelo mi gente, welcome back to my channel. I'm going on vacation, so if you guys want to see how I pack my makeup, then keep on watching. So I got this makeup traveling case from Sephora. It has a handle on it, that's why I got it, because I need one with a handle. Inside of it has these little slits for like pencils and stuff. Just flap to cover them. And then you have like a little bag on the inside. It's plastic, so like if anything spills in there, it doesn't get messed up. And then you have two of these cubes. These cubes are also plastic on the inside, so that they don't get messed up. And then all of this remaining right in here. So in here I'm gonna put all the makeup. And then I have this brush case from Morphe. I love this one because it's hard, so your brushes aren't gonna get squished or messed up. It opens up like this. Then I have this little beauty blender bag for my sponges. So typically when I pack my makeup, I start with lipsticks. I take a nude lipstick, a red lipstick, a dark red lipstick, a brown one, and then like a crazy color like a black one or like a blue one for when I'm feeling crazy. Okay, so for my nude lipstick, I'll take Peachy by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I always like to take a liquid lipstick formula of a nude just in case I need something a little bit more long wearing. So I'll take my Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Unbutton. For my dark red lip, I will take Lip Freak from ColourPop. Beautiful dark red, I love it. And then for my bright red lip, I'm gonna take the color On Display by ColourPop. As far as liners for nudes goes, I always use the same one. This is BFF2 by ColourPop. So I'll bring my BFF2 because it's my BFF. Then for my red lip, I'm gonna bring the Leo Lip Pencil by Kylie. Alright, so for our brown lipstick, I'll choose the color Friends by ColourPop. For my brown lip liner, I'm going to choose this Lippy Pencil by ColourPop in the shade Grunge. And then for a crazy color, so like the crazy color that I'm going to bring this time is going to be, let's go with black. Because I love black lipstick. It's my favorite. Well, it's not my favorite, but it's up there with my favorites. I'm going to bring my favorite black lipstick, which is the color Black Velvet by Lime Crime. And then I'll also take this Aeronaut Luxe lipstick from ColourPop, just in case I need a bit more of a comfortable wear. For my black lip liner, I'm going to choose my favorite black lip liner, which is Dead of Night by Kylie Cosmetics. This is all of my lip glosses. I hate lip gloss. So if you guys don't know that about me, now you do. I never wear it. It's just mad uncomfortable to me, and my hair sticks to it, and it's not my cup of tea. But just in case I absolutely need one, I'll choose this one by Milani. It's called Milani Stellar Lights Gloss, and this one is in the shade Opalescence. It's like a pinky peach reflect. Can't forget my lip balm, MAC SPF 12 in the shade Purring. Then I'll bring a little lip scrub just so that I have one. Next thing that I pack is primer. I'm gonna keep it super simple because I've just been using like 2 or 3 primers these days. So I'm gonna take my mini Milk Blur Stick and my Farsali Skin Tune Blur Drops. Next is cream contour. I'm gonna bring my favorite, like always. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Mink. So for concealer, I'm gonna bring my Ride or Die. It's the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced. And I'll also bring my Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer, just in case I need a little bit more brightening under my eyes. Also here I have my color corrector, so I'm not gonna leave without that. Pro Conceal by LA Girl, shade Peach. Next thing I'll pack is my foundation and powder. So for foundation, I'm gonna take this one, surprise, surprise, the Maybelline Superstay, my favorite right now. I'm gonna bring these NYX Total Control drops, just in case my foundation becomes a little light for me, so I can mix this in to make it darker. Now powder. Choosing what powders to travel with is always the hardest thing for me. I've never had like a loose powder explode or anything like that. I definitely need my Fenty Beauty blotting powder. I don't go nowhere without this. If I'm wearing makeup, I need it. Then I'll also bring my KKW brightening powder. This is in the shade number 3 Banana. And then for loose powder, I'll bring my Hourglass translucent veil, just because it never lets me down and the packaging is pretty compact. Alright, so next we have blush, bronzer, and contour. I'm gonna take one blush from my favorite blush palette. Then I'll also take a contour color from this palette. And I'll put them in this little palette. Now for bronzer, I mean, you guys already know what I'm gonna take. My Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. Then I'll take this little itty bitty NARS Laguna bronzer. I just prefer this shade to contour my nose, so that's why I like to have a little one. Back here is setting sprays. All of these is like the big sizes, so I'm not gonna be bringing anything like too big like this. I have small versions of my favorite setting spray. Okay, so for highlighter, I usually like to take one powder and one liquid, but this time I will settle for just powder highlights to keep it compact. These are the Diamond Glow powders by Artist Couture. I'll bring this one in the shade Illuminati. And you might be thinking, what? You're only bringing that one little highlighter? But no, girl. If you don't know about the Diamond Glow powders, get your life. Okay, so next is mascaras, eyeliners, and brows and stuff like that. So for mascara, I'm gonna bring my favorite, my Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. And luckily it's in a nice little travel size, so it doesn't take up much room. For my liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and bring my LA Splash Architect liquid eyeliner. I always like to bring a glitter liner with me, you know, just to spice things up. My favorite one to bring with me is Midnight Cowboy glitter liner by Urban Decay. Okay, so I have two eyelash curlers. This one is the one that I use at home, and then this one is the one I travel with. This one just takes up a lot less room than my Lily Lashes one, so this one is perfect for travel. For brows, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wizzes, one in the shade soft brown and one in the shade dark brown. And also our favorite brow gel, this is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. For pencil eyeliners, I'm gonna bring my ColourPop Honey Dew eyeliner. I love this one for everyday looks. And I'll also bring my black 24/7 Glide On eyeliner by Urban Decay. I always try to bring at least one colorful liner just in case, you know, I'm feeling that vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade Love Drug. Don't forget your sharpener. So next is lashes. I've already packed in this little House of Lashes gemstone case. These are a pair of Lily Lashes Mykonos. This is Ardell 113 stacked, and then these are the wispies from Hello Beauty. Really like this because you could put stuff underneath. So here I put my lash glue, my tweezers, and then like there's a little black lash glue just in case I need it. It fits right here. I won't be bringing any eyeshadow palettes with me this time around just because my cousin has a lot of makeup just like I do, and she lets me use her palettes. So to save room, I'm just gonna not bring one this time. But if I were to bring one, I will bring the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam and the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession. What I will bring is this teeny tiny Stila Glitter and Glow shadow. Down here I have my mirrors. I've already packed my light up travel mirror. This one is my favorite to travel with. So I put it in here in this nice little pouch. Alright, let's do brushes now. So I'll take this lip brush. It's so cool. And I'll take an eyeliner brush. I'll bring an eyebrow angle brush. I like this one because it has a spoolie on the end. I always bring at least one pencil brush for detail looks. I like to use a crease brush for precision highlighting, so I'm gonna bring this one for my face. Then I'll bring a little blending brush, a large one, and then two medium ones. I'm also gonna bring this angle brush for my nose contour. Then I'll bring this itty bitty shader for detail looks, and then this bigger shading brush to pack on shadow to the lid. I'm gonna bring one concealer brush, and then I'm gonna bring a powder contour brush, a blush brush, and this little brush is for my highlight. Whoops, I almost forgot. This is my dual-ended brush that I use to blend out my color corrector. For powder, I'm gonna bring my handy dandy bronzer brush by Morphe. this Real Techniques large powder brush. Then I'll bring this small powder brush to brush off my bake and stuff. So I'll bring my Cheek Pop brush for cream contour. To blend out my foundation, I'm gonna bring my Sigma 3D HD Kabuki. And then for sponges, I'm gonna bring my Real Technique sponge, my Veromona Cake and Bake sponge, my Sigma 3D HD sponge, and a beauty blender. And now we pack. Sometimes when I buy brushes, they come with these little form things. So I save them for when I pack my brushes. Any fluffy brushes, I'll put the forms on them so they don't lose their shape. And we're all done, guys. We all packed up. Hope you guys liked today's video. I know it's a little different, but I like to watch videos like this when people like pack stuff up and organize stuff. So if you like it too, let me know by hitting that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.